Okay, watch this again. It's watermelon. Some water? You want some water? That's Owen speak for no. Do you want some watermelon?
Yeah.
And some watermelon?
I'll give you some water.
Some water? Oh, Daddy gives you water. Want some watermelon? Oh, now you'll try it. Hi, I love you. You're so cute. I do love you. You're just funny. Okay, that's enough. Mwah.